Hi, so when I sent this link out, my whole class was not able to open it due to some filters or something from YouTube. So to alleviate this problem and to make this more consistent, I'm going to show you how you can assign any of these EdPuzzles through EdPuzzle itself. So some of you I know are already doing this. So for those who are not, this is a way to do it. So you open up the link and you see this. All you do is you go to Assign, you go to Add a new class. So I just did these. So if you have nothing up here, you can click Add a new class. Then you click here, Connect LMS class, Google Classroom, and then go ahead and select the class you would like the video to go to. So I'm going to pick Social Studies for this one, grade level, third grade, subject. You can pick whatever you want there. It doesn't matter. Click Import, and then go ahead and click Assign. Now, you're going to think that it's already there, and that's what happened to me. I went to my classroom, Google Classroom, I didn't see it. So you need to go over here to Post on Google Classroom. And now, when you go to your classes, and I posted that one in Social Studies. So when I go to Social Studies and I go to Classwork, there is the video. And it should come up. And there it is. I also tested this on a student's computer and everything was working fine. So I hope that helps.